loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a review on the new Nabla goodies. This is the new addition to the close-up range. I have the foundation in shade L40 Light, and it has a very strong yellow undertones. It is slightly darker. To me, I try to match it as best as I could to my skin, but I went a little bit crazy with the bronzer, if I'm completely honest. I would say I look a little bit muddy. Yeah, I'm not gonna be using it. I tried to make it work, but yeah. And then I have also the pressed powder. I really do like it to set my foundation, and it's as good as loose powder, I would say. It's really nice, I like it, and I think this is gonna be my go-to on the go powder as well. And then of course I have the three brushes. I don't have the sponge. I don't know how I managed not to order it, but yeah, I don't have the sponge, but I did get the brushes. The brushes look absolutely gorgeous, and I really do like this foundation. It has like kind of matte cream liquid to powder finish. It looks really, it blends really nicely into the skin. It gives medium coverage. You will see my discoloration here, or like I have a little bit pimples going on. It shows through after I have applied it on quite heavily. But yeah, if you want to see the full review, you can head on my blog, which will be down below as always. And yeah, if you want to see the demo part, keep on watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing demo on this new Nabla futuristic foundation, close-up futuristic. And I'm shade L40 Light. It has yellow tones, but it is slightly dark for me. So I will mix in these. This is the Hyper foundation from MAC, and it's in shade Violet FX. So I will be mixing these together to get my perfect match. And I will use to apply this Nabla foundation buffer brush.